Welcome to AI Theorized, your daily AI news briefing. Today, we're diving into the cutting edge of AI benchmarks, unveiling a new metric for text generation, comparing top image generators like DALL-E 3, exploring the latest in JAX data loading, and much more. Stay tuned as we uncover the future of AI, one breakthrough at a time. Don't miss out. In the quest to tame hallucinations in domain-specific large language models, the ML community turns to benchmarks for clarity. Reddit's r/yar machine learning buzzes with discussions on these crucial tools. Why? Because getting LLMs to stick to facts is as pivotal as it is challenging. As researchers share and debate, it's clear. The benchmarks we choose could shape the future of reliable AI. PhD journeys are never dull, especially when they lead to the birth of a new metric for evaluating generated text. Imagine fine-tuning AI to not just generate text, but to do so with unprecedented accuracy and relevance. This could revolutionize everything from chatbots to content creation, making AI interactions smoother and more human-like. DALL-E 3, SDXL, Leonardo.ai. Three titans in the realm of AI-driven image creation, but which reigns supreme for clean, modern graphics? Users seek predictability, minimal artifacts, and production-ready logos. This comparison isn't just about aesthetics, it's about the future of design, where AI plays the lead role. Meet Cyreal, the new JAX data loader promising speed, flexibility, and a light footprint. It's a potential game-changer for developers in the fast-evolving AI landscape, but it comes with a caution, probably full of bugs. A call to the community for testing and improvements could make all the difference. In a unique experiment with VQ-VAEs, a researcher sets out to learn and reconstruct Bad Apple live, pushing the boundaries of online learning. This project isn't just a technical showcase. It represents the playful yet powerful potential of AI to learn and adapt in real time. An independent researcher's work on a novel algorithm for contour tracing could redefine boundary delineation in computer vision. This ArcSiv preprint invites feedback, beckoning a collaborative effort to advance the field. Imagine plotting 8,000 entities with cluster tags and color-coded ontologies. A months-long side project now offers a trait-based ontology, where bits answer yes/no questions. This creative endeavor highlights AI's role in organizing and understanding our complex world. Exploring denoising language models offers a fascinating twist on speech recognition, focusing on error correction through an encoder-decoder architecture. This method's potential to enhance clarity and understanding in AI systems could be a major leap forward. That's all for today on AI Theorized. We've journeyed through benchmarks, new metrics, image generators, and beyond. For your daily dose of AI innovations, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. This is AI Theorized. See you tomorrow.